Oh shit, 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 shit.
Inalog mo eh.
Oh. Love. Try this snack. I'm gonna get it upstairs, but I want to try something. And then I'm also gonna try the kombucha that I got a long time ago. Do this. I showered yesterday and I purple shampoo my hair. Look how uneven my hair looks like right now. Like, it's so stressful to be a girl.
Popo with tuan.
Crap. Cashew with salted caramel. I bought this kombucha. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kala ko luma na. Sabi ko, ala, na-expired.
Yeah.
Tapos tinignan ko yung nasa store. May ganun. May ganun talaga. So, yung yung mga active bacteria, that you need in your life. So I'm gonna try this lychee and jasmine.
Allergy siya din.
Oh shit, 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 shit.
Inalog mo eh.
Oh. Love.
Perfect na makatingin lagi sa iyo sinela.
Tinatawag kasi ako, sabi me. Ow! Ow! Ganon.
Ikaw, palasubas.
Nakain na pala, Chewy.
Dami na nga niyo kinain.
Chewy, where are you? Kumain ka na pala, ah. You fooled me. You fooled mommy. How dare you? How dare you, Chewy? How dare you? Try again.
Maybe this time give us something that I never realized.
Oh my.
Just
Papatik yung natin kain. Oh. Masarap, sige. Juice yan, juice.
sobra naman. Bye. Sibuyasan. Neryoso. Dahil na sibuyasan.
Gak puta, hindi masarap.
Ay,
Ma'am, your turn.
Lagyan mo pa yan, tsaka ilagay mo sa sibuyasan.
I actually just got home. I got a gift for Mike. I went to Marshall's and grabbed him I couldn't find like any other syrup, but I think he would like this. It's a maple bourbon sugar-free syrup for coffee. And I also got him this one. It's like a nice little candle. It's white white gardenia plus nectar. I got like a gift receipt for this one because I don't know if he'll like the smell, but I like the smell and I think he'll like it, but we never know. Morning, guys. It is 8:30 a.m. and I'm going to the gym with my friend. This kombucha raspberry lemonade. Pamela made some latte.
Ay, ano nga to?
Halaman.
Pamela made some calamay. Proudly homemade. Paba-order na po kayo. Magkano may pa-price?
$15.
$15 yan? Napakamahal! I made some pancit. Mom, how's my pancit?
Delicious.
Dad, how's my pancit? Pwede na ba ako mag-asawa?
Don't hit turn.
We took a family nap. We just all woke up. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna rewind my film for this one because I finished the one that I'm using, so I need to put in another one. I don't know if I'm gonna put it right now, but I'm gonna show you how to rewind it. I think it's done. What? What do you need? What do you want? Do you want to go on the bed? I got my lashes done with my sister. Do you like it? I like it. I really do. So Teejay and I just got home. We picked up this free camera that he saw in the Facebook marketplace. So this is what it looks like. It's like
There's a head.
big bag. It feels like there's like a head. Stop. Okay, open it. Okay.
Hey.
Moment of truth.
Serial killer.
I don't know, like, look how old the bag is.
Serial killer.
Like, the bag is so dirty.
It's not dirty, that's genuine leather.
But it's a good
There's a head!
bag.
That's a vintage ass
Look at that.
bag. First off, we got this. I think it's something to hold it like this.
I'll show them what we got.
A hand vlog camera.
So a hand vlog. Oh! Yeah! Because, like, you put the camera here, and then you do this, and then it gets, like, this little
I think you
thingy.
attach
Ta-da! So we got
whatever
this.
this is. Press it.
Press it. Ooh!
We got a lens case.
Soligor Auto Tele Converter. 3 times to fit Miranda. Who's Miranda? This is the converter. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. That's my nose. Nice. Oh, Kako 18. Vintage. I think you just like pop this. Ooh.
We got a battery in here.
What? Ooh. What is this?
Timer flash. A timer?
Sekonic Auto Lumi. I think this is like a light meter.
Let me see.
That's a light meter. They call it light meter.
And last but not the least.
Check for it.
Whoa.
That's the camera that he got for free. So, yeah. Oops. This is a Praktica ML3. MTL3. Shutter. That's good. And click.
Mm-hmm.
But then
How did you open it?
oh, interesting. I think, babe, this is like your this one. If you like do this, you see nawawalan ng light. So, pindutin mo yung ano.